first of all, what is meaning of strain gauge? So strain gauge is nothing but the sensor whose measured electrical resistance varies with changes in the strain. So strain is nothing but the displacement or deformation that results from an applied stress. So stress is the force applied to the material divided by the material cross-sectional area. So strain gauge normally works on the principle of electrical conductance and its dependence on the conductor's resistance. So as we know that resistance is directly proportional to the length and it is indirectly proportional to the cross-sectional area, R is equals to rho L by A. So the change in shape and size of the conductor will eventually affects the length and cross-sectional area and it will affect the resistance of the substance. Strain gauge normally experiences the two types of laws. First one is the Hooke's law and second one is the piezoresistivity effect. So Hooke's law. As the strain gauge experiences the bending and stretching, the change in resistance is measured by the Wheatstone bridge and the change in resistance is directly proportional to the strain. So piezoresistivity effect. So it is the change in electrical resistivity of the metal where mechanical strain is applied. So there are many types of strain gauges are present: bonded strain gauge, unbonded strain gauge, semiconductor strain gauge.
Now moving on to apparatus of strain gauge. It consists of display unit, gauge factor knob and a Wheatstone bridge on front panel, metric weight bars and power supply. Now let us know about the working of the strain gauge. First of all, we should on the power supply, then we will see the values on the digital display unit. The next step is we have to calibrate the device by adjusting the knob which is present below the display unit. Then we have to set the gauge factor by adjusting the knob and make gauge factor as 1. Then we have to weigh different types of metric weight bars and we have to see the measured value in the display unit. Now we are weighing 500 grams metric weight bar and observe that you can see measured value is approximately equal to 0.5 gram. Weighing 1 kg metric weight bar and observe that you can see measured value is 0.93 approximately equals to 1 kg. Weighing 1.5 kg metric weight bar and observe that you can see measured value is 1.43, 1.44 which is approximately equals to 1.5 kg. Now we are weighing 2 kg metric weight bar and observe that you can see measured value is 1.89 approximately equals to 2 kgs. Measuring 2.5 kg metric weight bar and observe that you can see measured value is 2.32 which is approximately equals to 2.5 kg. Now let us know about the calibration of strain gauge. Strain gauge pressure transducer should be calibrated by applying pressure. Strain gauge load cell should be calibrated by hydraulic piston loads monitored by a proving ring or reference load cell. Applications of strain gauge. They are often used in medical instruments like kidney dialysis machine, syringe pumps, and also they are used in patient weighing. Wireless strain gauge can be found in CT scanners. Advantages and disadvantages of the strain gauge. Advantages: in strain gauge there is no moving parts. Usually it is small and also affordable. Disadvantages: it is temperature sensitive.